This Uncrustable Sandwich Maker is easy to use. You can make a sandwich in just 2 steps. 1 step, filling anything you would like on the bread. The second step, press down to cutter and seal 1-step design. The sharp cutting edge will create the pocket sandwich shape while also sealing the edges of the sandwich. Sandwich filling. Do not over. Start by placing a slice of bread, then assemble your sandwich with the desired filling centered in the middle and not overfilled. Too much and it'll be too packed and spill out or rip. This Uncrustable Sandwich Maker is easy to use. Even a child can use this. You can make sandwiches with your kids. Overall, the kids love to make sandwiches by themselves. It is fun for them, especially in their lunchboxes. Every Uncrustables you make contains love for your child. The stainless steel cutting ring can be removed. Uncrustable Sandwich Cutter's cutting ring is removable and very easy to clean.